how to fix GTA 5 entry points not found easy and quick. It's an easy problem, and if you want to fix it, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, just open here, click on your antivirus. Now just disable your antivirus, click manage settings and disable real-time protection, and now just minimize this window and then type here now just type here background apps. Now just close all the background apps here just by turning off the first option, and that's it. Now just try to open GTA 5, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now just go back to antivirus settings, then just enable this one and go back and restart your PC. And I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.